told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elina. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. So for the new subscribers, because I know you'll subscribe, you're very much welcome to this channel. So today's video, I'll just be cleaning and then setting up my goals. And yeah, that's it. So I have already finished doing my dishes. I have washed the washroom. Now I just want to clean my sitting space before my kid woke up. Today he woke up so early, I think 5:40, and he didn't sleep again. I think he was hungry, but he is going to sleep again. Now I want to clean up here before he wakes up again. And I am making breakfast as I clean up this area. Don't worry about my head wrap. My hair is in a mess. My hair is a mess. That's why I decided to wrap it up. Maybe I'll put a vlog also for the one that I'll be doing my hair. So don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, like and share this video, and also comment down below so that I can be motivated to do more of this, please. Until I see you again, ciao, bye bye. So this is how my sitting room looks like right now. Let me show you faster, and then I'll just clean up in time lapse. So this is how it looks.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk a straight path. Not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time. I live for the fight and the climb. And I think that the pain that's deep inside is what defines. So I won't give up, I'm gonna make it to the top. I don't care what's in my way, I swear I'm never gonna stop. I could fall flat on my face and I swear I won't get back up. Cause I don't deserve a thing and the road ahead is tough. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. I know that things seem bad, but they could be much worse. There's always someone else who has a greater curse, a greater thirst, a hunger, pain, and mercy. Just find whatever you got and try to be thankful first. I wanna feel again, I need a couple friends. I never really understood just how the story ends, but I can feel it's tense, don't know the consequence. The volatility of life, my only confidence. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises. Or maybe drown myself in something that is bottomless. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small. Way back before we blew it all.
So guys, I'm already finished with cleaning my sitting area, and this is how it looks. My space is so small. Even my kitchen, you see I have that cylinder here. My kitchen is small, I can't put a lot of things. This I'm supposed to take to the bedroom, but that kid is sleeping. And if I open that door, he will wake up and I'm not yet finished. So these pillows, these throw pillows, I got them from Think Twice. Lakini I'm not, my intention was not to leave them like that. So I am planning to crochet some covers for it that will match with the seats or that will match with this carpet. Yeah, that's my plan. Now I'll just finish washing outside off camera, and then we'll meet after that. Hello guys. So I finished writing down my goals and I finished offline. This is 2 days later. I have been a bit busy, so I didn't film while I was writing those goals down, but I did write financial goals. Like my financial goals for now, it's not saving, because at the end of the day I don't remain with enough to save or something to save. So my financial goals was to do something that will bring more income, that will, as in to find something that will give me income, your second source or third source of income. those were my financial goals. And then the other goals that I set for myself for this month was to practice more on my skills. I do have a lot of skills on my hands, but I am a bit lazy, so I decided that my goals for this month will be practicing more on those skills, and maybe turn those skills to a side hustle that will bring in something, so that when I write down my goals again for next month, maybe it will be of saving and not looking for more incomes. Yeah, so yeah. And then for my spiritual goals, I wrote that I want to get closer to God. I have been so lazy lately on praying and reading the Word of God, so I set that at least I try and read a chapter a day. I wrote like a day ago, and even today I didn't read any. So I had said that this month at least I try and read a chapter of the Bible, and then at least pray. Yeah, so that I can be closer to God. I have been away from His side. Sana. I'm using the front camera, so I'm trying as hard not to look at myself there. It's tricky. That's why I mostly use the back camera. And my other goals, I have a toddler, as you know. So I have written that I need to potty train him this month. We had bought a potty, but he has already broken it. Yeah, so I need to buy another potty, and then I try and train him and see how things goes. And then my other goal was to buy a table for my kitchen. Yeah, I've been wanting to buy I didn't want to buy fast because I thought that we'll just be staying here for a few months and then we leave, but it's not the case, so I'll just have to buy a table for the kitchen. Yeah, and those are my major goals. Everyone has their goals. Maybe yours is to buy a house, to buy a car, to save 70,000 or 80 a month. But you know, we are all different, and we are all in our own races. I won't write a goal down just because another one wrote because their goal is to do this and this, now mine is to do that. No, we all have different races in life, and at where I am today, those are what I see as goals. Yeah, maybe in the future I'll have bigger goals, or yeah, but my short-term goals are those ones that I have said. So until we meet again, bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, please. So I was trying to, my other goal was to follow my skincare routine. I do have a skincare routine, but I haven't been following it, not every day, only like once a week. Yeah, so I was doing some shoots of myself just in my bedroom here. If you want to see how I take my photos, you should follow me on Instagram. You see the way I look good, and my hair is a mess. I was even to do a video of that, making my hair, but I haven't because I've been a bit busy lately. Yeah, so my hand is tired of holding this phone. So we'll meet again. Bye bye.